Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We've added a new option now in chamfer recognition that will allow you to limit the depth that your chamfer mill will go down. If I were to open up the operation, we have our geometry as shown over here, all of these edges around the part over here. And if you'll note in our tool, the chamfer mill is only outside of its holder by 30 millimeters. Now, if I go to my levels area, you'll note that my lower level is at minus 40. I want to make sure that my tool does not go down that deep. So what I will do is I can limit the lower level. If I were to open up this field, I can say I do not want my lower level to go further down, for example, past this surface over here. So now the lowest chamfer will be done on that edge over there. Save and calculate, and as you can see in the simulation itself, the chamfer is being done all around the part up until this level over here. This area over here does not have any chamfer done on it because I had limited the depth that I wanted to go on. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and click on our SolidCAM Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.